What's going on, guys? It's Paul Coughlin with EZoutdoors. As you can see, it's not springtime here yet. We just got about 5 inches of snow and expect about 6 more on Friday. I'm here to introduce our March Madness giveaway. Normally we do something every week. This year we're going to do it just for one giveaway for March. That being said, the only thing you guys need to do is subscribe to our YouTube page and comment on any video. Go over to our UltimateCamo website and fill out the information there. Lastly, I need you to go over to our UltimateCamo Facebook page, and on the giveaway post I need you to give me a number from 1 to 5. Also tag a couple friends in it. Don't share it, tag it. Sharing always messes things up. We always get some weirdos involved. Our giveaways this year, it's going to be 3 chances to win. If the first drawing is picked and your number is picked, you'll be getting a UltimateCamo wardrobe, which will consist of a UltimateCamo hat, neck gaiter, sweatshirt, underlayer, pants. If that number is not picked, you will, for second place, you'll be getting leg gaiters from UltimateCamo, and a knee pad for your gun, which is actually, they're both cool, 2 cool little items. Third place, if second isn't picked, will be a turkey tote with our the turkey foot engraved, which is actually pretty cool. I only have probably, I think, 8 left of them, so it's a limited item, one of a kind. They're a pretty cool turkey tote. That being said, back to the video. This is probably one of the coolest, one of the most vocal birds I've messed with in a while. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Come on, get my set. There we go. What's going on, guys? Trying to spot that I heard some birds last year here. I went here opening day in Connecticut and didn't hear a thing. So hopefully they moved in. It's what, 4:30 right now on the 20th. It's a little damp up here. I guess it rained last night. Oh well. It's quiet. Hopefully we'll hear something. Let's see what happens. Five o'clock. I haven't heard a bird yet. Whoa! 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 Wah! 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 Whoa! Dang. Give this spot a little longer, and then I'm going to sneak out of here. On to the next spot. Well, it's one of those soggy, foggy mornings. I'm at my third spot, fourth spot. Second, had 2 vehicles there. Third was just wet and foggy. Just didn't feel it. And then I drove by another piece and saw a Tom on some private right next to neighboring field, so a public. So I'm gonna try him out. I've got to loop around. I mean, it's soggy wet in these woods. I'm trying to get the trails so I don't have to get wet. And let's see what happens. Hopefully he was with a hen. Let's see if I can pull that hen to my way. We'll see. There's no way this is gonna work. I've got a bird in private in the field. It's so thick on the corners, soaking wet. He's gobbling, but we'll see what happens. Come on, mouthpiece, you sound like shit. There's another one. Just heard another one. Nice. He has to go in the woods.
wet food. Yeah. Gotta find a dry spot around here. See if this works. Fourth spot this morning. I gotta duck down. Oh. It's the only dry spot around here. What a goblin fool. He's got the bar in the middle. I knew he was gonna do it. Let me get comfortable here. Let's see. Shot him at like an 8-ish. I knew this bird was here. I actually just drove by the property, and he was strutting in our front yard. So there was a public piece all around it. So I started at one side, and he was drifting away from me, so I circled around in front of him and got him all excited. He gobbled probably 1,000 times, it felt like. But I shut up and he came in, he caught me moving like right when I got into the woods. But luckily he was like 10 yards into the woods. I pulled the trigger, dropped him. I bet you it was like 20 yards. Ah, good year, man. Awesome. Well, let me get out of this soaking wet woods and find a place to take some pictures. See you in a little bit. This place is all just a bunch of blowdowns. It's a hot mess in here. You get through the first 50 acres of just blowdown pines. It's thick. Get to the back, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna go find a spot. For pictures. Get this guy. Take him for a little tote ride. I circled around, so I'm about. Actually, let's do that. Only half an hour to where I parked this time, which isn't that bad. Is that on there? Yeah. My kids write stuff on all the shelves as my good luck charms. Not sure which one did this one. This might be my daughter. But it works. Gotta keep them involved some way. Tighten that up. Lose it. Alright, let's get out of here.